We saw a need in our customer base for faster lead times and more cost-effective press solutions. We have had customers who have opportunities to bring production in-house and they need a press in a timely manner. This pre-engineered option lets us cut that lead time down and get them a press as soon as possible. Within this Ascent line, we offer 20 different models ranging from 30 to 500 tons and a bed size ranging from 18 inches by 18 inches up to 72 inches by 72 inches. All these models feature a unitized gib-guided style frame designed for infinite life. The gibs are fully adjustable front to back and left to right, maintaining parallels in between the ram and the bed surface. While it is a standard line, we still offer many customizable options such as safety features or heated platens. These machines are also manufactured, serviced, and supported all entirely in the USA. With Ascent, you get Beckwood quality and performance, all while being backed by our US team of experts.